Hello everyone, for today's video I would like to share with you how to remove the middle seat from your Honda Odyssey and store it under the floor in your storage bin. So I removed the driver's side seat so we can take a better video of the whole instruction. Before we get started, I would like to ask you a favor to please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and also leave a comment down below if you have a better way of doing it or if you want to leave any comment about the video. So if you have your middle row seat, most likely you have the seat belt attached as well. So in order for you to remove the seat belt, what you'll need is the buckle from your seat belt, and all you need to do is just push it right here on the latch, and that's how you take out the middle seat belt. Okay, and the next thing that you want to do is remove the seat cushion, and when you remove it, you just pull this thing from the back and pull it up. Okay, and that is because you have a anchor right here, so that's why you want to pull it that way and up. Okay, and the next thing will be to move the back seat down, and to do that all you need to do is pull this from here. Okay, and this thing is going to fall down. Okay, now once this thing is down, you'll see right here that you have the latch anchor, and this is the another latch for you to fold the seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing up first and pull this up like this. Okay, and once you do that, all you need to do is pull it up right here. Okay, now to fold the seat, all you need to do is pull this thing. Okay, once you pull it, should be able to fold it. Okay, so now it's locked in place, and that's how it's going to look like when it's flat. Okay, okay, the next is you want to open the floor so you can put the seats inside it. Okay, so you can actually do it. I actually do it with all the seats here. As long as you move all the seats back and move this a little forward, you should be able to store your middle seat inside this floor. Okay, so you want to do is open this, and you're going to see you have a latch right here. Just pull that, and if you're not aware, if you just want to use this as a storage, you have another latch here. You can pull it as well for storage. Okay, but to store the middle seat, all you want is to pull this thing up. Okay, and you can just hold it like this, and if you want, you have an anchor right here that you can use to hold it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, so all you need is like that. All I did is you can actually put it right here, but for me it's better for me to just put it here. So what I did is I just go like this and do it that way. Okay, so once you have it open, all you need to do is basically just slide the first seat right here. So just slide it this way. Okay, and once you slide that in, next is your cushion. So you just push this thing in like this, and after that all you need to do is put the latch back here, and close it. So that's how you remove and hide your middle seat for your Honda Odyssey. And if you still have this plate, make sure to put it back. This is facing front. Okay, so just push it right here so people can step on it. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.